Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I have another AI tool which is not released yet. So there's this company called DeepMake. I've been watching their LinkedIn posts recently and they are developing this new AI masking tool. So it basically rotos out anything from any video based on like the prompts you give. They're still developing it, it's not released yet, and I signed up for the early access and they did give me access like a few days back. I wanted to try it out with you guys. I'll put the link in the description. You can just give your info and they'll probably send you an email when they give you access. So that's going to be this video, and before that please do subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and we'll go and see how the tool works. So this is the beta tool which they have. As you can see, it's not fully ready yet, and this is called the DeepMake rotoscoping demo interface here. I guess they're going to change it, or I'm not sure, but I think they've just created this interface just to like test it. So I think it might be different, the actual version. So we don't have much settings here, and basically you can just go and choose a file. So I have this footage from Action VFX. I don't think we have like a play button or anything like that. We can only like scrub it through, so we only have it till like 97, but I don't think we can do all that in this. But on this side we have all these settings, so it kind of works differently. So we have this layer selector here, and you can have like multiple layers, meaning that you can extract multiple objects from like the same footage in a same scene. Layer selector here and layer name, and they have like two different types of how extract the matte, right? So there's one called track points layer and there's one called prompt layer. I think we can just do like a prompt layers, and this, let's say it's a woman here, so let's just do woman. So this frame would become like a keyframe. Anywhere wherever you want keyframes, you can just go there and just check this so that becomes a keyframe. That's pretty much it, and you can export this as a mask video or mask video. I'm not sure like what is the difference between those two, but so you can do that. And here we have a slider to just see how it has segregated it. Let's just keep it like this. So this is just like one keyframe, right? And let's say we can go to like the end here, and then if you click frame as a keyframe, it just detects it, I guess. I'm not sure. So yeah, so it's actually working. So that's like the loading bar there. We chose like two keyframes, one at the beginning and one at the end, and basically it did. And anything that hasn't been done, you can just go to that frame and it's actually working on that. So something like that. It's as simple as that. It's not like very perfect, as I said. Like it's not even beta, it's an alpha, right? So we cannot expect it to be perfect, right? They still have like so much of development to do. Yeah, this is one, and there's also a thing called points layer. I think we can do like maybe women 2 and like a new points layer, and I'm not sure like how this works, but you know what, let's delete this layer completely. It's pretty confusing to actually use this. So as you can see, like we do delete it, but it's still there. So do we need to like delete this? Oh, we can keep points here. Okay. Oh, so it's like that. Okay, I got it. New points layer, and then I just put a point like on the jacket. I mean, it's gonna bring just the jacket, add like a point on our face, and then it brings up everything. Okay, so that's the points layer. So as you can see, the point actually tracks. Probably works till like halfway here. Put a point again here, and then it gets just the face in this thing. That's nice. Okay, and then probably we can put one on the gun and just gives us the gun, I guess. Maybe. Let's see what happens. It gives us the gun along with the hand. I'm just getting confused with this whole layer thing. I don't know how it works. I think probably we need like a better way to see like each layer where it starts and where it ends, because I only had like one keyframe here, and all of a sudden it just changes here, right? So changes from women to like points 1 again. I think that's what they might be working on. So yeah, we have like a tracking point going all the way here and there. We create layers, right? So we need like a timeline. I think that's like the best way to see it visually, so that we know where we are keeping keyframes, and we need a timeline to like see the 90 frames and where the keyframes are, so that it's easy to like manage it and change anything. They will bring that in the future interfaces, but this is like a very basic test to see. So we can do it two ways. We can either do these points, or even if we want just the gun, right? You say just gun here and then do like a new prompt layer, and then I think that just gives you the gun, not even the hand, just the gun, which is like pretty powerful, right? So I mean, in those cases it does work a lot, but you know, moving forward with their development, it'll get better. But we do have like blurred edges, like based on the depth of field and all those things. This is right now just cutting it out like with really sharp edges. So for people to use it in production, then obviously we we need like better edges, which might come with more training. But apart from that, I think the user interface is something, especially with the whole layers. I think it's pretty confusing how, like, you know, for example, I put gun here, you know, there's already a keyframe here, and there's no way, you know, unless I actually scrub it like frame by frame to see like if it's a keyframe or not. I can remove this. No, I'm not able to remove this as a keyframe. It does work, but yeah, we need more visualization to where each layer starts and ends and how the keyframes work and all that. Maybe like a curve, or just, you know, just like a keyframe, like how we have it in like After Effects, you know, those kind of things. For the first version, with the overall how it works, I think it's able to recognize like pretty much, I mean, this is okay, right? You know, this is just like choosing like the best option to extract stuff, but that is fine. I think so far they are going in the right direction. It looks nice, looks like promising. So very soon, like, we might have something that can just extract. You don't need to do rotos anymore. I think we will come to that point eventually. It's just a matter of when. I think good work by DeepMake. If you guys want to try this out, I'll put the link down. Thank you for watching. That's pretty much it, and thank you DeepMake for giving the access. So I'll see you guys in another video. Till the next one.